Hi, good evening. Welcome to Chartlands channel. So I am back from vacation. So I was in vacation from last Friday. So I was back today morning. So I've been informing from last few weeks. So only the large caps were moving, and only the finance sector and the PSU banks and auto was holding the index. The rest all sectors were in very bad shape. Even if you take small cap also, it was underperforming compared to Nifty. So this correction was expected. But yes, since large cap is moving, I thought at least it might move to sideways for some days. But this trend line which I drawn last week, if you see, it has breached the trend line and it has followed up selling on the downside. So I'm expecting some more consolidation days before it gives the movement. So at least for another 2 to 3 days, I want some consolidation on the index level, or at least to reclaim this 21 EMA with a good breakout. I mean good volume. So let's see, but as of now currently we're in no trade zone, because if you see my recent trades also is not working. So that's how I got the feedback from the market that this market is very weak, and in fact I was anticipating the pullback entry here this day, and after my entry it's definitely stop loss was it. There was no buying, there was no follow buying. So the reason that trade was, I was expecting this kind of pullback, at least for a decent 1 or 2 hour trades, but that also didn't work out, and we had a bad closing and the follow-up selling. So currently Nifty is in no trade zone, and I don't expect any trade to take for another few days till we form a consolidation from here. This is my Nifty view. And similarly, if you see, all the indices has been down. If you see small cap, I am repeatedly saying that avoid small caps, because it's continually downtrend from last few weeks and months also, in fact. So let's let it form some structural to take an entry. At least I have added my ETF since it's down more than 20% now. Just a moment, let me take the weekly one. So it's close to 14% down. So I added my ETF yesterday. I think while closing I had my ETF from a long-term exposure, and in fact I was closely monitoring this level. I was not expecting to break down this level, since it was weekly support with the inverted head and shoulder. So I was expecting this level should be held down. So at least I'm expecting some more consolidation here for some weeks at least. I don't want any another candle complete breakdown and the follow-up breakdown also from here on. So I'm expecting a support in small cap now for some days, and then to give a decisive either long side or short side. But as of now also I am avoiding small caps. Mid cap also, if you see, I think this was a crucial level. I was observing that it might go into sideways, but after this yesterday bad follow up on downside, I'm not expecting further upset from here. In fact, the double top got confirmed here after the bad closing yesterday. So as of now it's still in no trade zone. Even if you take any other sectors also, sector wise also, it's pretty much bad shape. So I don't want to take any trades as of now. Only the commodities is good. Silver and gold is doing good. So crude also, I had a trade actually. I am just anticipating some breakout here, but it didn't work out. My stop loss got it. So, and let me take out my recent trades. So I have the BEL call option selling. This is fine, some monthly, so I don't want to touch. And Nifty, which I took recently the call option trade, my stop loss got it actually yesterday. So yeah, and Nifty I have monthly call option selling, so that's fine. Muthoot Finance I exited actually few days back itself, since I after seeing this bad closing, it was clearly visible that market is not in good condition. Asian Paint also I exited yesterday, and if you see today it got brutal fall of 5%. This is happening from quite few days, so I exited at cost. So I don't want to lose the capital, that's why. And TVS Motor also I exited yesterday actually because of bad closing. That's fine. And I'm holding only the gold position now, so I'm expecting another breakout to add here. Let's see, but anyway it's quite away from moving average, so I'll be a little bit cautious. So as of now we're in no trade zone, so I don't want to take anyone to trade and then burn the hands. So kindly avoid the trades, wait for some days, let it get consolidated and give the proper entries. So thanks for watching, have a good day.